Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who unfollow you on Instagram. So if you want to check this, since Instagram doesn't offer any official way to check your unfollowers, in this video we will show you how you can check who has unfollowed you on Instagram. The most basic way is to do it manually. Open your Instagram application, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, tap on followers, and here search for a name to check if they are following you or not. Another way is go to that person's profile you think that unfollowed you on Instagram and tap on following. Now here search your own name to check they are following you or not. This is obviously very time consuming if you have a lot of followers. So the other way to check who unfollowed you on Instagram is to use a third party app. You have to open the Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and in the search bar just simply search for this follow meter and simply tap on this install. This is available for both Android and iOS users. Now you need to sign in with your credentials. So this is how the home page looks like, and as you can see it's checking followers now. Tap on the refresh button in the top right corner. Now here in this unfollow option you can see who has unfollowed you. This app can only show your unfollowers from the day you set up your account. You won't get any data regarding who followed you or unfollowed you in the past. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.